well, we're the ones who are going to inherit this planet, and we'd better take good care of it. It's our generation that has to figure out how to become a sustainable society.
There was roughly about 100 of us, I would say, and we had some people from Ontario Nature who kind of guided the program. We had workshop seminars, leadership activities, and we all got together, talked to each other, learned from each other, shared our experiences, and it was a pretty fun thing overall.
What do you think of the program so far?
I think that everyone's really awesome and it's a lot of fun.
Why is the Nature Guardians program important to you?
I believe the Nature Gardens program is important to me because it makes a program that we can get involved and get other youth to be involved too and make a difference, really.
And I wanted to change the world, and this is a great way to start.